Welcome to another video. What we have here is a beautiful mosaic of all different woods. Went through the scrap bin and got nice bits of oak, mahogany, cedars, walnut, a whole bunch of different woods, put it together as a mosaic. Made a beautiful walking stick. So stay tuned. I'll show you how I made this step by step, and hope you enjoy the video. So I made a paper template here of a handle or a topper. And if you remember, I had a whole box of scraps. So I think we're going to do maybe a mosaic of all these different types of woods. I think this is a decent enough layout. I want all the end grains facing the edge or the sides of the handle. It's going to be a lot of shaping. Well, let's try and glue all this together. So what we have here is a beautiful piece of hardwood ash, I believe. It is extremely dense. Bark was already missing. It's got lots of character. And near the bottom, a little bit of spalting. But no checks. Solid. Listen to the sound. So, nice and dry. We got the handle, which will go on top, and then the final shaping when it all goes together. So let's get that metal rod in, epoxy it all together, and then some shaping. So we are done all the sanding. You see a beautiful mix of hardwoods, all different scraps. Might be good for someone who does quilting. All on an ash stick, a little over 4 feet in height. Beautiful, very strong wood, this ash. It's got a little bit of spalting at the bottom. Beyond this little point here gets a little darker, so it adds a little detail to it. We are going to be adding some boiled linseed oil, and let's see all these colors pop. We have some mahoganies, little pieces of cedar, some oak, ash, walnut in here. Few that I'm not even sure about, but what a combination. I think that came out really nice. A lot of end grain here, so it's soaking in quite a bit. I'll have to keep putting it in. And the ash stick darkening up beautifully and tying everything in together. What a stunning piece.